Hello children. In this video we are going to cover chapter 8 exercise 5, which is going to be under fraction, addition and subtraction of your fractions of like fraction. Okay, so exercise 5 is addition of like fraction and exercise 6 is going to be subtraction of like fraction. So both we are going to see in this video. So here with exercise 5, first question, use the figures to add. So I am going to take this C sum. Okay. So here if you see, the shape which is given to you is being divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 equal parts is being divided and with 2 colors it is being colored. The parts are colored with 2 different colors. So one, this 2 color like light grey, and with this 3 parts are colored with green color. So now we are going to separate the 2 colored parts. So with this first light grey, that I am going to denote in a fraction. 2 light grey with 7 equal parts. So 2 is your numerator out of how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So out of 7, 2 parts are colored with this light grey. So now with this 3 parts green color, that I am going to denote in a fraction. So 1, 2, 3 parts are colored in green color out of how many parts? 7 parts. So all together, even though when it is colored in 2 different colors, all together how many parts are in colored? That is what we are going to find. So here when you have the denominator same, 7 and 7, the same denominator you can give. You need not to add the denominators when it is same. When you are doing addition in fraction, and that too when you have the denominators are same, it is said to be like fraction, and you can directly write the same 7. You need not to add the denominators. So now after writing the same 7 here, now add only the numerator. Add only the numerator, which is 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, so now we'll see with these sum. So here also how many circles are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the denominator will be 8 for both the colored fractions. So this color out of 8, 2 is colored. And the green color is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 green colors out of 8 is colored. So now totally how many circles are in colored? 2 plus 4 gives 6. So denominator you have same 8 and 8. Do you want to add the denominator? No, the denominators should not be added. It should be directly written as it is 8. Okay. So now we will see directly without the picture, when you have the fractions to be added, how to add the same. See, it will be like this only. I'll show you. So if you see here, the pictures are not given. Instead of that, they have given directly 2 fractions. So now we are going to add this 2 by 7 plus 4 by 7. So what happens? The denominators are same, which is like fraction. You will directly write this denominator. Now add the numerators 2 plus 4. Okay. What happens? 2 plus 4 is added 6. The denominator as it is 7. You need not to add the denominator. As it is, denominator should be given the same value. Okay. So one more sum. 3 by 8 plus 5 by 8. So denominator as it is, write it. Add the numerator 3 plus 5, 8 by 8 is the answer. So now we'll go with the exercise 6, subtraction of like fraction. So first I'll show you how to do subtraction when you have a picture. So here we have a shape which is divided equally with 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. So out of 4, 3 is colored. Okay, out of 4, 3 parts are colored. And 1 part is crossed. 1 part is crossed and 3 part is colored. So using this information only we are going to find out the fraction. So now first find the fraction of colored parts. How many parts are colored? 1, 2, 3. Written no, 3 parts are colored. So 3 out of 4. 3 parts are colored out of 4 parts. So now after finding the colored parts, now find the fraction of crossed part. How many parts are crossed? Only 1 part is crossed. I have written no, 1 part crossed. So this 1 by 4. 1 part is crossed out of how many parts? 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally 4 parts. Out of 4 parts, only 1 part is crossed. So 1 by 4. So now these two supposed to be subtracted. Understood? Now first find the fraction of colored part, that has to be minused with the crossed part. Okay? So now the same procedure, the denominator has to be put as it is, the numerator has to be subtracted. So 3 minus 1 gives 2. Denominator 4. 2 by 4. So one more example. Here how many parts are there? Totally 4 parts. It is 4 equal parts. How many are colored? 3 parts colored. How many are stiked? Crossed. 2 parts. 2 parts are crossed. So now we have to find the first fraction of colored parts. How many are colored? 3. Out of how many parts? 4 parts. So the colored fraction parts are 3 by 4 minus crossed parts. How many are crossed parts? 2 parts are crossed. So what is the fraction? 2 by 4. Out of 4 boxes, 2 boxes are crossed. Now do the subtraction. 3 by 2, denominator 4 as it is. So what happens? 3 minus 2, 1 by 4. It's your answer. So when you have without pictures, when directly 2 fractions are given and if you are asked to subtract, the same method you can follow. The 6 by 9 minus 1 by 9. The denominators has to be put as a common. So numerator subtract. 6 minus 1 you will get 5, which is 5 by 9. That is your answer. Okay. Thank you, children.